Hey, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm doing not one, not two, but 3 snack eating challenges that I saw on the internet. We're doing the world's saltiest snack, the world's most sour snack, and the world's spiciest chip. So first up, I have the Svenska Vallar. This in Sweden, this is a Swedish candy, is called the Swedish Bastards because it is extremely salty. It is a black licorice that is supposedly creamy and sweet on the inside and insanely salty on the outside, which it looks like that. I guess I just do it. Okay. I was waiting for some type of drum roll, but that comes later. Just putting the whole thing in. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. That was probably 10 times worse than I anticipated. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bite now. Oh my God, that is literally painfully salty. Oh my God. Okay, I know this looks like I'm faking. I literally promise I am not. I'm getting someone else to try this. Okay, this is the world's saltiest licorice. I just tried it and thought it was gonna be easy. I put it in my mouth and it caused physical pain. Take one of those, put the whole thing in your mouth and start chewing.
Why would I want to do this?
To show them that I'm not lying. Whole thing in the mouth and start chewing. Try, see if you can survive it.
I'm willing to take a bite.
Take a large bite. No, just chew.
Is this safe?
Yeah, chew it.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Oh my God, it was a bomb of salt. Wow.
How is it still in your mouth? I couldn't eat it. Okay, I'm getting looks from around the room as if I am a literal baby idiot. Touch your tongue to one of those and tell me that is not one of the most painful experiences you've ever gone through.
Did I ruin the video just doing this?
No, I just cannot, I literally cannot handle that. I will give this one more try because I trust Olivia's palate, and if Olivia says it's good.
You know I'm a freak with salt and with vinegar.
Next up, we have the sour pickle balls, period. There is no way this is gonna be worse than the first one. Okay, so you can see the shape. It's kind of this just like really not pleasant looking green mass. Okay, let's do this. 1 second. I thought that was the exterior. The interior is the exact same consistency. That is not a coating. That is what it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. It tastes like a pickle. Oh my God. Okay. If not as bad as that, I feel like I'm having an exorcism. I have known about this video for 2 weeks, and I did not mentally prepare myself for this. Pocky one-chip challenge. Warning, do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsaicin, or are pregnant, I'm not pregnant, or have any medical conditions. Keep out of reach of children. After touching the chip, wash your hands with soap and do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. Seek medical assistance. This chip is made with powdered Carolina Reaper, which is the hottest pepper on earth. That is 1.7 million Scoville units. And the scorpion pepper, one of the other hottest peppers in the world, with 1.5 million Scoville units, which is not the right way to say it, don't care. Okay, let's open this up. They've encapsulated the chip in here. Dun, 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 dun. I am sorry, but that looks too delicious. That looks like, I just want to dip that in some guacamole, I'm gonna be honest. Here's the thing, those look scary. This looks like not scary. which is scary. See, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay. Oh, oh my God. Oh God. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Woo! Holy oh my God, okay. Abort mission. Abort mission. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's the hottest thing I've ever eaten. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo! They're not kidding. I cannot feel my tongue. That is the most painful thing I've ever felt in my whole life. Do not eat that chip. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'll be back.
1 hour later.
On a scale of 1 to 10, the limit does not exist. Quintillions. This chip should be illegal. Thank you for watching this video. Do these even matter with how much pain I'm in? Comment? Let me know what else you want me to try. Maybe I will, I probably won't. I really probably won't. I'm sorry to be that YouTuber, but comment below what else I should try, and I will not try it. I won't. Subscribe, and if you need me, I'm gonna go take a bath in, I don't know. Goodbye.